just knocked him over. Don't come after me. You're ferocious. Ferocious. No, don't come up here. Don't come up here, baby. I seen you going after him. Poor little guy. He's just tuckered out. Poor little guy. You're just knocking him over. What a bully. What a bully you are. Hey, Buzz. Alright. Oh, boy. I hear you, girl. She gonna take you down next, Khaleesi. She got energy for everybody. Energy for everybody. Yeah. He's like, oh, am I gonna play? No, I'll just sit here. This one's gonna leap on me. You can't climb up here. Now you're trying to jump up here. It ain't gonna work. It ain't gonna work, sweetie. You're too little. You're gonna fall and stumble. Yeah. You're not used to these rugs. No, used to the nice soft little blankets. You're gonna slip up. You're gonna slip up. Yeah. What? What, little girl? Hey, buddy, you coming over here? Well, you was till Khaleesi jumped in my way, buddy. Hey. Hey, Mr. Calm. There you go. Grab her tail. Show some offense there. Duncan. There you go. Wrestle her back. No. No. You're so funny when you run. Just gonna lay down, bud. I think she's finally getting a little tuckered out.